Okay, first one of the day, nice little Honda SH300, one of my favorite scooters. I've had one of these myself. This one is getting ready to go up for sale. So looking to get a little trot TLC beforehand. She's looking a little sad in places. We're gonna do one of our full Monty valets on this, get it all minted up, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. She is needing a good old clean. We're gonna work our magic, paint a few bits and pieces. Like I said, more than anything, get some corrosion protection on it. We'll do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, get a bit of gloss back to it, get it looking like it should before he advertises it. Let's work a little trot magic. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Honda SH300 has been fully trotted and looks a different bike. This is at one of our legendary full Monty valets with XCP corrosion protection. We managed to get all that burnt on brake, burnt on tar off the motor. Everything's been painted that was rusty, all your brackets, nuts and bolts. I scrubbed and scrubbed those wheels. They hadn't been cleaned in some time. All the discs have been cleaned. Managed to get as much of the rust off the inside of those shocks as possible. Center stand, side stand's been painted. Just did a single stage machine polish on all the bodywork. Got a nice bit of gloss back to it. Painted the forks, all your calipers, everything's been touched up. This is up for sale. If anybody's looking for a nice SH300, give me a buzz and I'll put you in touch with the gentleman. On to the next. SH300 is minted and now up for sale. DBH Motorcycles. Look at that thing. It's absolutely gleaming. Along with the rest of these bikes. And the salespeople.